So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So today we have seen a huge correction in market, whether it may be Nifty followed by Bank Nifty. So many of the large cap stocks have started correcting. So mainly the mid caps, even though few have corrected, but few still remained in that positive region. So one such stock is Brightcom Group. So morning it has showed initial signs of weakness, but again the buying volume has been generated. So that is a regular pattern. Actually it is observed in BCG. So it slightly opens a gap down, but again it starts filling that gap and it starts going in the upside direction. So you should not do any sort of panic selling. So whatever market fall we have seen today is completely panic selling. So because of the market fall, many of the people have started exiting their position. So that is very wrong thing. You need to search for buying opportunity. So whatever the stocks we have discussed, whether it may be in Telegram or it may be in our previous videos, so all of them are in still green side itself. So they have not given any major correction. So you need to pick stocks in such a way that despite market fall, you will be in a profitable zone. Okay, so today we'll try to update the levels and we'll see what can be the next possible targets. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for short term and swing. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the Telegram group. So morning itself I've told about Brightcom Group that despite whatever the correction we are seeing in the market, so it has still maintained that particular positive upper circuit. So about Nifty also, like people who are connected with me in WhatsApp. So yesterday itself I've told them don't do any sort of fresh buying today, and I also told that market may still continue that particular downtrend, and today we have seen that particular result. So my view was completely clear because it was forming a head and shoulder pattern. So obviously it is a bearish sign, and that is one of the major reason why we have seen that particular downfall. So in this particular downfall, you need to search some very good quality stocks. So whatever the stocks you have discussed, so do check out them and trade accordingly, follow the levels. So definitely you'll get that benefit. Okay, so now if we observe the day-to-day wise deliveries in Brightcom Group, so you can see on 18th November, we have seen 42.5% deliveries, and the stock has given around 5% upper circuit. So day-to-day wise, clearly it is observed that a little bit of volatility is increasing. What does that mean? It means that the circuit is getting opened, so fluctuations are observed in the stock. So if you go and backtest about this particular stocks, earlier also it used to do the same thing, but again it used to remain in the positive direction. So nothing to worry about it, so keep holding it. Okay, so similar stocks like Tanla Solutions also, if you go almost 1 year back, so when it was also around 100 or 110, so it also used to trade in similar manner. Its circuit used to get opened, again it used to go upside, little bit of correction. So in that way, even those particular stocks right now, if you see, those are multi-bagger companies. So in that way, even Brightcom Group is trying to follow the same pattern. Okay, so try to invest at each and every dip. So don't put entire investment at a time. So now let's go to charts. Okay, so first if we try to observe on weekly chart time frame, so clearly a V-shaped type of recovery was observed in this particular stock. So starting from the 70 rupees level, 80 rupees level, when the stock initially it was facing a little bit resistance, but comfortably when it has crossed that 90, I've already told 100 rupees can be easily seen, and now you can see it when it is even crossed 100 and it is near 113 rupees level. So further more momentum is left for the stock. So make sure if you're trying to have a fresh entry, you can initially put small amount, and any retracement you can average. Okay, this is in weekly chart. Okay, so if you observe in daily chart, so as I told in daily chart, on you can see on regular basis, actually it's getting open, so it is giving opportunity, again it's closing in the upper circuit. Okay, so these fluctuations keep happening, Okay, again a retracement happen, again it will come down, again it will go in the upside direction. So don't get okay struck to that high volatility things. So just hold it for long term. So for small profits also don't exit. So once you're invested, so leave it for long term. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.